Welcome to Pavilion Road. Lovely little mews type house development just off Sloane Street. And as we walk down, it turns into a really cool, basically dining, hospitality scene. I'm going to show you that in a second. It's a lovely street this, and this is a good example of these London mews house vibes. You don't get any garden space. This street is your garden, so to speak. But they're highly sought after properties. This one's a nice one here, look. Really nice plants, and these will cost millions of pounds. But they're not very big at all. And yeah, look at number 134 here. Nearly got run over there again. Very attractive properties. But the space inside, there could be a 2-bed. There might be a 3, but it is uber bougie, I think the word is. I was going to say trendy London living at a real premium. You park your Porsche on the side and you wander out and you have a cocktail or two or whatever you're into in Pavilion Road, just down here. So yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around. You can see what I'm going to see. Let's have a look. So as we come into the area, immediately pass a nice Porsche 911. People out socialising. London in bloom. Lovely properties, and this is a very nice part of London. You're super close to Harrods here as well. And here is the bottom end. Nice decor. And you've got Granger & Co. Restaurant, bar type thing. Some excellent restaurants down here. This one is Hans Bar and Grill. And this is, or might be anyway, the Ice Cream Union might be the #1 best ice cream in the entire of London. Look at the queue, guys, just to get a scoop of ice cream. Might need to check that out later on. Look at this queue. They're all queuing for this particular ice cream outlet. The Ice Cream Union. Google it.
That's the line.
There is Chelsea General Store. This is nice, the sea, really nice fish restaurant. You've got the fish hanging up in the window there, if you see it. Pizza here. Bread ahead. London cheese, mongers. And this is the summer London vibe. This is the best of London. For 9 months of the year, it's not like this. But for 3 months of the year, or roughly that, it is like this. And it's beautiful. But just as a killjoy, you're looking at, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 quid a pint to drink here. 15, 20 quid a cocktail. And if you go into an actual cocktail lounge, you're probably significantly more than that as well. So for example, Sketch Mayfair, which I have a cool story about, story for another day, that will be £25 or so for a cocktail. Maybe more, maybe 30. But there you go, that is the Pavilion Avenue, or Pavilion Road, sorry. Hope you enjoyed it. We are in a very, very sunny London at the moment, and heading on to Sloane Square. This is Sloane Square. It's almost at Wimbledon, so Ralph Lauren's pushing out all its Wimbledon stuff. And then down here is the King's Road heading into Chelsea. So that's another experience completely. And then over here is Sloane Street here, which goes right up to Harrods in the middle of Knightsbridge. And then what you've got at the moment on Sloane Square, the fountains are going, and you've got a nice Union Jack vibe, and this really nice sunny drinks, and grab a drink, grab a cocktail, grab an aperitivo, that sort of thing on Sloane Square here, which is really, really nice. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one, and share your comments too. Thanks again.